Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problems that your taskbar is not working properly and how you can fix that. Just follow the step 1 and all the steps to fix your issue. First of all, you just have to restart your Windows Explorer. Just press the Ctrl Shift plus Escape on the task manager. Just like that. Control Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. And after that, just going to the find window explorers. So I'm gonna find the window explorer. See that window explorer. So I'm gonna and right click and restart. Right click and then restart. So it's gonna restart. So after that, the next step is that step to run SFC and the ISM commands. Open command prompt admin panel. So just have to just right click on the icon of that window and it's going to be terminal admin. Just yes it and just copy the prompt, that one, just copy it and it's going to the terminal section and just paste and just it's going to beginning system scan. It's going to scan the systems. So the third step is that register taskbar via PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell admin and run this command. Just copy that command, just copy it and it's going to begin internal section. It is going to bring verification phase for the system scan. So wait for a second for the loading and for the verification. When the verification complete, just have to just paste that command which will copy. So after that, you just copy the fourth step. You start your computer. After this paste that command and after this restart your computer. And the step 4 is that check for Windows update. So make sure that you're just using the updated version window in your laptop, in your desktop. So install all the updates and start. Step 5, create a new user profile if need. If you need a new user profile, just create it. And sometimes corporate profiles cause of issues. That's why you have to create a new account and test your taskbar. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos. And also upcoming Windows related problems which you will watch in the playlist or window section. So if you're facing any window problems, so just watch that playlist and check that which problem you're facing and just click that video and watch it. So that's the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.